Hello students, today we will start the new chapter and the name of the chapter is modals. Let's begin the chapter. Chapter 4 modals. अब modals क्या होते हैं? Modal verbs are helping verbs used with the main verbs to express different moods, meanings and attitudes. They are also known as modal auxiliaries. मोडाल वर्ब्स जो होते हैं वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं जो मेन वर्ब्स के साथ हम उन्हें यूज करते हैं अलग अलग मूड, अलग अलग मीनिंग्स, अलग अलग एटीट्यूड को दिखाने के लिए, और उनको हम मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज भी कहते हैं, जैसे कि कैन, कुड, मे, माइट और टू, शैल, शुड, विल, वुड एंड नीड, ये सब मोडाल वर्ब्स हैं. नीड कैन बी अ फुल वर्ब टू. मोडाल्स जो होते हैं हम यूज करते हैं ऑर्डिनरी वर्ब से पहले एंड एक्सप्रेस मीनिंग सच एज परमिशन, पॉसिबिलिटी, सर्टेनिटी, नेसेसिटी जैसी चीजों को एक्सप्रेस करता है. एग्जाम्पल्स: मे आई गो टू द पार्क, परमिशन है. इंडिया कुड हैव वन दिस मैच, पॉसिबिलिटी. He shall pass this year, certainty. We must pay our bill on time, necessity. Detailed information about the use of modals. जैसे कि may को हम यूज करते हैं एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए परमिशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे मे आई कम इन, आप स्कूल में बोलोगे, आप परमिशन लेते हो, मे आई गो टू प्ले नाउ, मे आई टेक अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, मे आई कम इन मैम. तो एक्सप्रेस अ विश आप कर रहे हो, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, मे यू हैव मेनी मोर, मे यू विन द फर्स्ट प्राइज. टू एक्सप्रेस अ पर्पस, कोई पर्पस आप दिखा रहे हो, ही वर्क्स हार्ड सो दैट ही मे पास. We work so that we may earn money. To denote possibility, for example, we may get delayed due to the rain. फिर आता है should. Should हम use करते हैं to denote a condition, supposition, possibility or etc. For example, if it should be morning, they will be in the park. To denote duty या obligation को denote कर रहे होते हैं. For example, you should respect our country. To show advice or suggestion, for example, you should take medicine. आप advice दे रहे हो. To disapprove of something that was done in the past, for example, he should not have laughed at her. I should not have laughed at him. After lest to express a negative purpose, so for example, he worked hard lest he should fail. In idiomatic expression में, for example, he should think so. He is quite sure of it. Would. Would को हम use करते हैं to express a wish. For example, I would like to have 1 cup of tea. To express determination, for example, the doctor said he would visit my ailing father. To indicate refusal, for example, the wound would not heal quickly, engine would not start. To express frequent past action, for example, he would play a lot of games. To denote condition या uncertainty, for example, had he met me, I would have told him everything. If he were clever, he would resist this offer. In polite expression, for example, would you give me a car? Might का हम यूज करते हैं, might यूज करते हैं कोई भी एक्सट्रीम पोलाइटनेस या कोई डिस्कशन करने के टाइम पे आप बहुत ही पोलाइटली किसी के साथ बात कर रहे हो. Might I have a chance to speak? If I might request you, wouldn't you explain the matter? To denote a gentle reproach or admonition, like for example, well, if you were not well, you might have informed us before. To denote a possibility that is more doubtful than may, for example, he might be sent to the hospital. Now let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct model given in the bracket. We dash respect our elders. We should. You dash reach on time. You must. Dash you enjoy a happy life. May. Dash you pay the bill. Can. You dash listen to your parents. Must. So like this you have to fill the correct modals. Now comes to the next. Can, could, need, dare, must. Can और could का हम use कब करते हैं? Can, could are used to express probability कि some action or event is possible. Like for example, can you hear me? I could swim when I was 6 years old. To express ability or power, for example, he can drive a car. She could dance well at the age of 10. To express permission, for example, can I smoke in this room? You could have lunch now. Dare. Dare हम use करते हैं to denote challenge या defiance in negative sentence. For example, how dare you speak in this way? He dares to call you a cheat. To denote venture and courage in negative sentence. For example, I dare not jump off the high fence. She dare not tell him lies. To make interrogative sentence. For example, dare he say such words to him. Need. As a principal verb, need हम use करते हैं sense of stand in need of or require. For example, he needs some money. We do not need any help. As an auxiliary verb वो express करता है necessity या फिर obligation, कोई duty, और वो use होता है only present tense में. for all persons. It is used only in interrogative and negative sentences. और नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हम कैसे यूज करते हैं? He need not go outside. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में need she do it again, need you go to school. नीड को हम एज अ मॉडलरी ऑक्सिलरी डजंट हैव पास्ट फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं, पास्ट को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं विद नीड हैव क्वेश्चंस में एंड नीड नॉट हैव इन नेगेटिव में. जैसे नीड यू हैव फिनिश द वर्क, शी नीड नॉट हैव डन द वर्क. मस्ट हम यूज करते हैं एक्सप्रेस फिक्स डिटर्मिनेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई मस्ट हैव माई मनी बैक, यू मस्ट सी अ डॉक्टर. नेसेसिटी, कंपल्शन और स्ट्रॉन्ग मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी मस्ट बी लॉयल टू आवर कंट्री, वी मस्ट ब्रिंग लंच टुमारो. Certainty या फिर strong livelihood. For example, someone must have stolen my car, we must have missed the party. Duty. For example, we must pay respect to elders, we must be diligent about our studies. Now let's do the exercise. Now we have to fill in the blanks with the correct modals. I dash arrange the flowers for the bouquet. For the bouquet. तो आप इसमें modals use करोगे. I should arrange the flowers for the bouquet. The child dash be taken to the hospital immediately. Child should be taken to the hospital. According to the weather forecast, it dash now. It may snow now. Yeah, it might snow now. Dash you show me the road to the new market. Can you show me the road? तो इस तरीके से आपको मोडाल्स इसमें फिल करने हैं. In the next sentence exercise, complete the sentence with need, used to, ought to, dare or must. How dash she complain against her mother? How dare you dash sit straight, otherwise you will develop back pain. You must. She dash sing in this hall nearly 10 years ago. So she dash sing in this hall nearly 10 years ago. She used to. There is no dash for you to go to the office tomorrow. There is no need. Like this आपको ये fill करना है. Then comes to the next have to. Have to. Have to को हम यूज कहाँ करते हैं? जब necessity या obligation arise होता है फ्यूचर में, तो in cases have to is used will और shall के साथ. जैसे कि I will have to visit our new home. If we miss the train, we shall have to take a taxi. As must does not have any other form, we use have to in many situations. For example, Daman has to work hard to make a living. He has had to give up smoking on medical advice. She hates having to pay taxes. It was painful for him to have to bid farewell of his son. Obligation indicate करो. For example, I have to attend the meeting tomorrow. When the obligation or necessity repeated होता है for occurrence. Example, some workers have to work on holidays too. Now let's do the exercise. Rewrite the following sentences using modal verbs in brackets. I am sure she's at home. तो इसमें आपको दोबारा से सेंटेंस को लिखना है और उसमें आपको जो ब्रैकेट में गिवन है मोडाल्स उनको यूज करना है. तो I must sure she's at home. It is possible that James will visit the US next year. So it could be possible that James will visit the US next year. Perhaps Mr. Verma murdered his wife. Perhaps Mr. Verma might murder his wife. तो आपको इन ब्रैकेट्स वालों को इसमें यूज करके कंप्लीट करना है इस एक्सरसाइज को. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर मस्ट नॉट, डोंट हैव टू, कांट, कुड नॉट. ये भी मोडाल्स होते हैं, उनके आगे नेगेटिव फॉर्म है. तो लुक एट दी सेंटेंस. यू मस्ट नॉट ड्राइव द कार फास्ट. यू डोंट हैव टू वेस्ट योर टाइम. यू कांट बी सो एंग्री नाउ. You couldn't be so silent. अब पहला था you must not drive the car faster. It is against the law. You don't have to waste your time. You need not, but you may. You can't be so angry now. It means you have show anger. And you couldn't be so silent means it was not expected of you to be so silent. Now let's do the exercise. Complete the following sentences with must not, don't have to, can't, and couldn't. You dash come to the party if you don't feel well. So, you don't have to. Passengers dash open the door when the train is moving. Passengers must not. I didn't feel very well yesterday. I dash eat anything. I can't eat anything. I dash pay for tickets because I got them from John for free. I couldn't pay for the tickets. Like this, you have to complete this. Now comes to the must not and ought not to. Look at the following sentence. You must not enter the principal's room without permission. It is allowed as per rule. You ought not to litter things here and there. It is not right. Let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with must not or ought not to. हमें इसमें fill करना है. We dash throw rubbish in the street. We dash throw rubbish in the street. We must not. You dash go inside without singing in the entry register. You ought not go inside. We dash leave the car unlocked. We must not leave the car unlocked. You dash keep these library books with you for more than a week. You must not. Then comes to the next, need not have, didn't need to. Look at the following situation. I think it is going to rain. I'll take the umbrella. There will be a need. I need not have brought the umbrella. There was no need. Now exercise. Now we have to fill in the blanks with need not or have or didn't need to. The sun came out, so we dash take any rain where. Need not have. You dash wash the dishes. I would have put them in the dishwasher. You didn't need to wash the dishes. We have plenty of petrol in the tank, so I dash fill up. So I need not have to fill up. I dash prepared all that food. She phoned to say that she would be coming. I didn't need to prepare all that food. We dash wait for so long that they just arrived after us. We dash wait for so long for them, they arrived just after us. So we didn't need to wait for so long. Like this, you have to complete the exercises and go through the rules of modals, when we use the modals and where we use and what is the different possibilities of using them. So go through it again. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.